Hi friends, how are you doing? I guess you guys are doing good, great and okay. Yes, the past 2 months were crazy due to pandemic. So many people lost our loved ones. Take care guys, more care needed in coming times. Mental health and physical health needs to be taken care. Okay, now coming to filing of our taxes. Yes, this is the tax time. Usually the tax time due date is 31st July, but due to the COVID situation, the government has extended it to 30th September. Also, you see lot of changes in tax laws this year. There is a new web portal, income tax web portal, where you can log in and file your tax returns. This change in web portal was intended to create more ease to the tax filers, but it proved the otherwise. So this was developed by Infosys. So it was launched on June 7th. The new web portal was launched on June 7th. The project cost, the government has paid so far 164 crore for this, for making this website. But this website is full of glitches, full of bugs and glitches. Let me share you a couple of examples we faced. So let's, for one of my client, we file a tax return. Once we are done with filing tax return, you guys know there is a process called e-verification. So I tried to do e-verification, but it says e-verification has been done and it accepted a return. So that is one of kind of bug we are facing. So kindly cooperate with us. We will try to file your tax returns ASAP, but it may so happen that due to these bugs and technical issues, it may take time. And I am guessing with such type of architecture on this website, in this web platform, I think there might be delays like last time you got refunds in 2 weeks, and year before last year also you got your refund in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month at max. But this time I think it may be taking more time. So you guys should be prepared for this. Stay tuned to my channel. I'll be trying to post videos on continuous updates. So guys, please make note that I will be handling only ITR1. So actually I stopped filing Indian taxes, but due to continuous requests from our community, there is a lot of changes in tax laws, e-filing portal, so people are getting confused. I'm trying to help you guys in filing the tax returns. So I'll be filing only ITR1. I will be filing from 1st August to 20th September. The due date is 30th September, but I am closing the filing on 20th September because I don't trust these income tax portal. Also, please go through my website before consulting me, vijay.in. Like you guys know, after filing the tax return, you need to do e-verification and such other stuff. So please watch my self-help videos. I will be posting in a couple of days. I'll be posting the self-help videos, how to do e-verification. Maybe after a month, 15 days or 2 months, you need to know, check you haven't received your refund. You want to know what is the status of your refund. So I will show you how to check the refund status, etc. Yeah, you also please note that there is a change in pricing plan. Go through the website. Yep. So let's get started.